Hello friends, good morning. Welcome to my channel Navigator Nouman. So friends, today I'm gonna show you how to change the WGS datum on GPS. So right now this is my GPS. The model of the GPS is make is Furono and it is GPS Navigator GP170. So okay, let's come. I'll show you. So for changing WGS datum, first you have to go to menu. Here you go to menu, then scroll down and go to system setting, then press enter. After that again scroll down and come to GNSS, then press enter. Then again come to datum. Here you can see WGS-84 is already selected, so we will enter once again, and you will see here there are different datums are there. So from that you can select WGS datum and press enter. So our datum is now selected, WGS-84. So that's it friend for this video. Thank you for watching. Comment and share and subscribe also, so it will motivate me to make more and more videos. So friends, take care, bye bye.